Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Harbor Freight Save with Summer coupons, August 18th through September 1st, while supplies last, guys. So we're going to go ahead and, as always, before we jump into this, we're only going to touch on the things that we've had some experience with, whether it's good or bad, whether we've heard some good or bad stuff about a product, or whether we just think it's a really good deal. I'll give you our thoughts and opinions on it. If I miss something, or if you guys disagree with me, feel free to chime in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. The Save with Summer coupons. So first up, we have limited time coupons. And I think these are really great coupons. First off, we got 10% off all air compressors from August 18th through August 20th. So that's a pretty good deal there. If you guys are Inside Track Club members, you guys get an additional 5% off. So for Inside Track Club members, it's actually 15% off of any air compressors, all in any air compressors. Now the next one we have is it's not showing here. See if I can click on it, but it's 20% off all air tools. So everyone gets 20% off all air tools, which is pretty cool. But again, like you see here, if you're an Inside Track Club member, you get that additional 5%, so you get 25% off. Now these are only good in-store only from August 18th through August 20th while supplies last. So that's pretty cool. Coupons that go hand in hand. You get you an air compressor and a couple tools or accessories to go with it. You guys can't beat it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into our Save with Summer coupons. Even though we're getting into fall winter. Kind of ironic, right? Kind of funny. So up first, we got air tools and compressors. So right here we have the McGraw. I've heard a lot of good stuff about the McGraw. We got the 21-gallon, 170 psi oil-free vertical shop air compressor. Original price is $279.99. It's on sale for $239.99. You get $40 off. It's actually cheaper with this coupon because if you try to apply the 15%, even if you're Inside Track, it's only going to give you about $27 off. So this coupon is actually better than the 10 or 15% off the air compressors. So not a bad deal there. Here we got some air compressor accessories. Same here. Not much for us to speak on here, guys, except we got a lot of air compressors on sale. You got these two. You got this hot dog style and the pancake style on sale for $49.99, so not a bad deal there. Moving on to automotive. So here, first up, we got these Daytona jacks. This is the 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. We've talked about these before. Really great, phenomenal jack stands, especially if you need the 6-ton for 2 pairs for $60. It's not a bad deal. You get your 6 different color options for you to choose from. So a good buy right there, a great buy, I would say. Moving on, we got the Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump. Original price is $139.99. It's on sale for $99.99. Again, I favor the Daytona jacks. However, I've heard a lot of good stuff about the Pittsburgh. Never heard anything really bad about them. And I've even had someone chime in the comment section one time that they are actually really decent jacks. So moving on, we got these automotive plastic fastener kits, 240 piece on sale for $11.49. We've talked about those before. It's always great to have a bunch lying around. Here we have the R134A AC manifold gauge set. Original price is $64.99. It's on sale for $49.99. So not a bad deal there. I've never had the Pittsburgh one. I do have the Icon version. It's a little bit more pricier, but it's really, really, really great quality. We haven't used it yet, but just taking it out, looking at it, doing the unboxing, really, really great quality. Anybody else out there? Does anybody have this Pittsburgh set? How do you guys like it? How does it hold up? And what do you guys recommend? Moving on, we have 2 transmission jacks. We have an 800-pound and a 2,000-pound Pittsburgh transmission jacks. We have this 800-pound low lift transmission jack is on sale for $169.99. This is similar to the one we actually have that we've used. Ours is gray, not red, but it looks very similar. And can't say anything bad about it. I've used it a couple times and it's worked out pretty great. If you need something that's going to hold a little bit bigger transmission, you got this 2,000-pound option here on sale for $279.99. Moving on, got another Daytona product. Here is the 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump. Original price is $219.99. It's on sale for $179.99. This thing is really great, very light, but very heavy duty. I have the 1.5 ton version of this that I believe I got on sale for like $100, and it is absolutely amazing. Really lightweight, got this handle. Kind of wished I had a handle on the other side, but I understand for storage purposes. But very lightweight. I can just imagine this is probably just as light, maybe a little. It's obviously going to be a little heavier, but really great jacks, especially if you just need to toss in your car or you got to carry it around. And I think it's going to jump back up every time we click on a coupon. So moving on. We've talked about the Syntex 630 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack. We talked about these plenty of times before. This one's on sale for $64.99. I prefer the ones with the air compressor on them for your tires. I find myself using those more than I actually do the jump starter. So, but to each their own. Moving on. Moving on. Some Hallmaster there. All right, generators and plumbing, and unfortunately not much for us there. Do apologize, guys. Moving on to hand tools. So here we have a Quinn half-inch drive SAE and metric master socket set. It's 83 piece, and it's a lifetime warranty, so not a bad deal there. Original price is $149.99. It's on sale for $129.99. Not a bad deal. You get the you get the lifetime warranty on them. I've never had an issue with Quinn sockets. I've actually used a lot of Quinn sockets. Absolutely love them. The ratchet, like I've said before, is where I've had my biggest issue. But again, I've never heard anybody else have any issues with the Quinn sockets. With the Quinn ratchets. So let me know in the comment section below. Have you guys had any issues with those? Or maybe I just got a bad one. Moving on, we got this Pittsburgh fully polished SAE and metric combination wrench set for 32 piece. Original price is $21.99. It's on sale for $19.79. You get that lifetime warranty with that as well. So not bad there. I have had some of the Pittsburgh ratchet wrenches in the past, and they are very cheap. Compared to like your Gear Wrench or Milwaukee. Very cheap, but it gets the job done. And if you need some extras lying around, for $19.79, even at original price $21.99, it's not a bad deal, guys. Moving on, we got this Quinn half-inch drive low profile sealed head ratchet. Original price $24.99. It's on sale for $19.99. You get that lifetime warranty, so not a bad deal there. Again, I've had one Quinn ratchet and had a bad experience with it. So I can't really say yay or nay on that, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys had any issues with those. Moving on, we got some lighting and specialty. Not much there. Material handling and safety. Again, not much there. A few gloves. Not much to talk about. Outdoor. So here's another good coupon. We got 25% off all gardening hoses, hose nozzles, and connectors. So take advantage of that. Moving on. Not much else for us here, guys. All right, getting into the power tools. So we got a Hercules dual action polisher here on sale for $99.99. It's corded. We got a Bauer variable speed D handle drill on sale for $44.99. It's corded. I've heard a lot of good stuff about the Hercules, their cordless version. I'm sure their corded version is just as good. So let me know what you guys think. Anybody else out there has had any experience with those, let me know. Let us all know in the comment section below. Moving on. A couple more Hercules tools there. All right, shop and garage, guys. So wow, first up we got is the Icon Professional Adjustable Shop Seat with tool storage. Original price is $114.99. It's on sale for $89.99. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this, guys. I actually have this. I was really excited to pull the trigger on it. We actually got the blue one at a previous sale months back, and I've used it a couple times, guys, and it is absolutely amazing. Super comfortable. It's definitely a step up from the Pittsburgh tool seat that they have. You got this nice little back support that really helps. The seat is super comfortable. It's big enough, super comfortable. It's got this like shock here, and you got plenty of tool storage. The base is super heavy. I mean, not astronomically heavy, but the base is heavy enough to where, you know, you're if you kind of roll your seat back, and you're not going to tip over. It's got a very strong base on it. So absolutely, it was probably one of the best purchases I've purchased. Definitely helps out with seating while doing any kind of work. You guys get what I'm saying, right? So moving on, still looking for somebody to give me some information on this Icon 400-pound capacity 43-inch professional creeper. Original price $139.99. It's on sale for $109.99. Looks comfortable. Excuse me. Looks comfortable. It's got those big tires on it, those big wheels, to go over some rough surfaces. So I could definitely see how that would come in handy. Anybody else out there has that? Want to chime in, good or bad thoughts on that? Please let us know in the comment section below. Moving on. All right, we're getting into some storage. Got a Yukon 5-tier shelf for $44.99. Moving on with this whole bottom row, we got some US General carts. So here we have the US General side tray for the 5-drawer mechanics cart and 6-drawer full bank cart. We've talked about this before. Absolutely love the folding shelf or the folding tray. I think it's more of a shelf than a tray. I mean, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. To me, it's more of a shelf than a tray, I would say. You can't really, I guess this one, yeah, I guess you could call it a tray. It does have a little bit of lip on it to kind of hold something, but I see it more as a shelf. But hey, Potato, right? Oops. So absolutely love the shelf. Folds up nicely out of the way, and yet it's still sturdy enough to hold some heavier items. Available in 9 colors here. We'll jump over here. We have this other folding side tray for the 4-drawer tech cart. This is the one specifically I have. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale for $14.99. So great options there. Here we have the US General 27-inch by 22-inch roll cabinet. Original price is $399.99. It's on sale for $349.99. So not a bad deal there. Most of the US General, if not all, has some really great products. You're definitely not going to be disappointed. So highly recommend those. Moving on to welding and machinery. Not much for us here, guys. I do apologize. If somebody else would like to pick a couple of these products and give your opinion on them in the comment section below, we would greatly appreciate it. And here we have the dollar days. This was from August 14th through the 27th, and I'm not really going to go through this. I'll just run through it. As you guys can see, some of the smaller items that are available. Got you some duct tape there for $4, not bad. A couple small cheap padlocks for $5. Little socket set for $8. So there you go, guys. There you have it, guys. There is your save with summer coupons with additional limited time coupons of 10 to 15% off all air compressors, or 20 to 25% off all air compressor tools. So there you have it, guys. Some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, as always, please go down there in that comment section below. Give me a like, leave me a comment, and let me know what you guys think. So anyway, guys, there you have it. Again, your Harbor Freight Save with Summer coupons from August 18th through September 1st while supplies last. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.